Hi, welcome to PC 102. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to do the first application activity. So let's go ahead and get started on that. You go to the introduction assignment. And then in this course, there are pre-made documents. You must use that pre-made document for me to give you points, okay? So what you're going to want to do is click on that document, and then you'll notice that I am in, let me show you this. I'm in my PC 102 folder, and I'm inserting it into week 1, and I am going to name this as my last name right here. I'm going to change this. I'm going to put Dorman _ and I'm going to put introduction because this is going to be an introduction about myself. So I do this so I am organized, or you can do it as application, activity. Okay, so however you want to do it to keep you organized, all right? I'm going to save this document. I'm going to open it up. And you're wanting to press enable editing. And you'll notice when you open up this document, you're going to see these blue anything in blue is where you insert your response, okay? Right here, my name is Sister Dorman. Okay, where are you from? I'm going to say I am not from one place. I moved every 2 years. My goal is that you are writing complete sentences. The reason I want you writing complete sentences is because practicing English, the more we write and the more we practice, the better we become at our English, okay? And the way we write complete sentences is by reusing items from our question and inserting it into our answer. You can see I've used I am Sister Dorman here. I've used the word from. I am not from one place. I moved every 2 years. Okay. And here I currently live in Rexburg, Idaho. Okay. So you are going to continue to do that throughout this whole list. If I do not see complete responses in your answers, I will not give you points. I will ask you to redo the assignment, okay? So please be aware of doing that, all right? So once I'm done, I'm going to file, save, and I already have my name saved. Now I'm going to show you how to submit it. Before I show you how to submit it, I want to show you this thing. Every assignment in the course has something called a rubric, okay? So this is how you are going to be graded, all right? So to get full points, you need to have all of these items completed. So at the end of each assignment, you can find that rubric, okay? Let's move on. I think this is where you submit it. Let me see here. So the button to submit it is in the right-hand corner of that same place where you got the document. So you're going to press submit assignment. Okay. You're going to go to choose file and look. Because I'm organized and I already have my PC 102 and my week 1, I know exactly where that job application activity is. I click on it and I press open, and I can see that my document is right there. I press submit assignment. Okay, and you'll know if you submitted it because you'll get a little check mark that says submitted. If you are really concerned, you can go over here to grades. And you'll notice that there's this little paper document, okay, that also shows you that you submitted it, okay? So please let me know if you have any questions about that application activity.